Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mohammed. I'm with this brother here who's protesting for the East Turkestan people, the Urigal people. And I'm from London, but I originate from Yemen and Somalia. And currently, the East Turkestan country was occupied in 1949 by China, and the name was changed to Xinjiang. And this means new country, new territory. And the people of this country are beautiful people who are suffering. And China is imposing very harsh methods on these innocent Muslim people and enforcing them to leave their religion, their deen, which is not acceptable. Currently, over 3 million people are in concentration camps. You know, they've been forced to eat things which they're not supposed to, drink alcohol, which is against their religion. Wives are being separated from kids and husbands, and this is not acceptable. You know, the people need to live in peace like we are supposed to as people, and we should be one. Now, what you can do to help is basically donate, make dua, make people aware of the situation, and just help the people in any way you can. Inshallah, it's better for them. May Allah make it easy for this brother. Inshallah, it works out.